You guys saw the thumbnail, you can already tell right here I have 2 boxes, and inside is an absolutely free barber chair. For my guys over at Artist Hand, it is a barber supply store, a beauty supply store, reached out, they wanted me to do a review on a barber chair. So we're gonna get this old thing out of the way, open these boxes up, see what's inside, put this thing together, and we'll check it out. My guy JT is on the way, he's gonna help me assemble it. Let's go ahead and get these boxes in the middle of the floor and start putting this thing together. All right, guys, got it all done. Definitely a little old school look for me. It's a little bit different, but it does look good. I do love the all black, you guys already know. Got the footrest. I was just testing it out. It is pretty comfy. So I chose not to put the, I think it goes over here, the thing for the cape to hang on, because I like to cover we cover our chairs with the cape, so I did not put that on. It does have the old school headrest. Guys, the headrests that we have don't lock, so I actually have like a block of wood that I put in here so that it doesn't fall down. Does have a lever right here, which is gonna be a little different for reclining, but we got the footrest that you can flip when you lay back and recline for a shave or something. So definitely, you know, it's a little something special. I'm gonna come in first thing in the morning. JT gonna get a little cleanup, so we will catch him in the morning. All right, guys, we're about to give JT a little cleanup. First one in there. Actually, I just cut my father-in-law, but first documented cut in the new chair. Let's see what it do. All right, guys, so I've been cutting all day. A couple of notes about this thing. Definitely needs to be broken in a little bit. It's a little bit hard to turn. Also, I had a client that was not a big guy, but probably like 200 pounds. And you could hear it like popping and trying to go down while he was in the chair. So I don't know if it just needs to be broken in or what. A little bit difficult to turn. I kept taking the headrest out and then I'd have nothing to grab and turn the chair. So definitely gonna try to leave the headrest in a little bit more. Basically, most of the clients I talked to said that the footrest was nice and comfortable and it keeps you pushed back against, you guys see, like if I sit down and put my feet on it, it kind of pushes back and I have to sit up tall. So that is a benefit to having the footrest. I did lay a couple people back. Evan earlier, I cut his hair. He was laid back with his feet across it and said it was comfortable. So one guy said this button was kind of poking him, you know what I'm saying? I told him the haircut was gonna be extra for all that, but definitely a nice chair. We're gonna use it a little bit more. You guys will obviously see it in some more videos and we will discuss it a little bit more after I use it for, you know, a week or so. All right, guys, so that is it for my unboxing on this nice brand new barber chair from Artist Hand. Guys, basically the same thoughts that I said about a week ago. It's been a whole week using the chair. Definitely super nice quality. I get a lot of compliments from my clients. A lot of them been asking if the haircut's gonna cost more because the chair is so nice. Everybody says it's pretty comfortable. My only complaint really from my end is it does not pump up quite as high as the other chairs that I had, but it hasn't really been a problem. You guys know I don't cut kids anymore, so I don't have to deal with that super bent over trying to cut a little kid. So it's okay with adults, but definitely for kids, it is a little bit low if you were cutting kids, but luckily I don't have to deal with that. Super nice quality, guys. I love the black on black. The leather with the buttons is super nice quality. The black metal is super sharp. It is definitely a step up from the chair that I had before, and I'm definitely looking forward to using it in the future. So before we hop off here, guys, I want to go to the website and show you guys a couple things about Artist Hand. All right, so you guys can see artisthandbeauty.com. Right there at the top of the page is my chair, guys, the 5045 retro barber chair, heavy duty vintage salon chair. So you guys go ahead and click on that. You can see the black and gold version. I almost went with that one. I definitely like the black and gold. We have black and red. There is the black on black that I have. And then the next one is kind of gray with some gold buttons. Pretty dope colorway there. I almost went with that one as well, but I wasn't loving the gold buttons. But you guys can see this is the chair that I have. If you scroll down, guys, it is $929 right now. I don't know if they dropped that because they knew I was about to drop this video, but guys, it was $1,100 last week. So again, if we go back, guys, we'll just look through the list on the homepage. We have packages. So I would imagine that would be some bundles of different kinds of chairs where you can save a little bit if you buy multiples at a time. Also including stations for your barbershop if you need that as well, or anti-fatigue mats that you put on the ground. Next up, guys, we have barber chairs. You can see mine at the top, and then we're gonna have a lot more underneath if you guys want to check it out. The 5041, that is one that I was looking at. That's one I liked. I actually liked that it was a little more square. Then we have a couple of your traditional style looking chairs, kind of closer to what I had before. Lots of color options, guys. Now you can see the traditional chair down here. We have a green and a red, and even a few more affordable options if you guys are looking for something much more affordable for your barbershop. We also have some of these cheaper chairs, like, I don't know about you guys, but this is what we used at my barber school. Just kind of the old pump chair. They usually don't recline, but these are much more affordable as well if you just needed something to get started. We do have shampoo stations, stations for your barbershop, and a few other things down there at the bottom. So originally, guys, I said barber supply store. It's more like a beauty equipment store. You guys can get everything that you're gonna need to open up your barbershop, from barber chairs to stations to barber poles, all the equipment that you're gonna need if you're looking to open a barbershop. So you guys head to artisthandbeauty.com if you guys are interested in grabbing any of this stuff. You guys, I showed you the chair that I got. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Obviously, we will continue using it, and I'll let you know if anything changes in the future. Guys, do me a favor and smash that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video on this barber chair from Artist Hand Beauty, and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of the all black chair that I just got. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I got a couple more boxes sitting right here. We're about to take the camera from there, put it up here, and do a couple of unboxings, and you guys won't want to miss them. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you next time.